great. It's my second time to take this training course, and for the first time I take it, I wasn't licensed yet, but this time I'm the licensed realtor, so I think this class gave me like more information I can absorb more to help my career.
Oh, I think it's been great. I think he's touched on a lot of things that people fear. He's addressed them. He's shown you ways to overcome. He's given you tricks to be yourself and to explain to people why you're there to help them. He's also gone through what a lot of agents don't take the time to know. Your strengths, your weaknesses, how to make a sales presentation, how to be real with the customer, how to let them know that you're there to take care of them. So I think so far it's been a great experience. Tomorrow we'll do a little role play and put everything we learned into practice, so I think it'll be good.
It's been amazing. I mean, it's the best investment that I have made since I got my real estate license. If you don't invest in yourself, what are you doing?